What's poppin'? Welcome back to LJ class. We are back with another video. In our last activity, Miss Nana helped guided you guys on how to make homemade masks. Please make sure to stay safe, stay healthy, use hand sanitizer. If you didn't watch the hand sanitizer video, please go watch that. And in today's activity, we'll be creating Samoan Ili. The materials you will be needing are first markers. These are actually paint markers. You can also use any decorations, but that has the lid. You need a plate, hot glue gun. Really cautious, please be cautious with this. Popsicle sticks, scissors, feathers, any color of your choice. Our first step is to grab your plate. My plate is shaped like this, it doesn't matter. But what we're gonna do with this is grab your scissors too and cut it straight halfway. I'm gonna use this big side because it's right here. So when you cut your plate in half, it should be able to look like this. And now we can get to the decorating. Now what I'm going to be doing is I will be putting decorations on. For the decorations, if you want to use the decorations, you have to use the glue gun so it can stick well. Please make sure you have an adult with you to do this. And yeah, get to it. Okay, now y'all, this is my fan after I put all the decorations on it. Now I will be grabbing the feather to put it around the fan for the breeze of it. Alright, now everybody, this is my fan with the feathers, and to top it off, now last we will be putting a popsicle stick so you can hold it by the end and you don't have to hold it by the feathers. Okay, ready? Welcome to the end of the video. This is my final product. Please, if you do this activity, please make sure you have an adult with you, and that when you finish it, take a picture of it and send it to the email below. And like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.